When you receive the 808 nm diode laser hair removal machine, you can assemble it according to our video. Take out the handle bracket and install it in the corresponding position as the video. Remove the handle, insert the handle into the handle bracket, and connect the other end of the handle to the main unit. First press the two blue buttons on the host, then line the arm with the installation. Go until the two blue buttons pop out from the hose. Remove the foot switch and align the raised area on the foot end with the groove on the host port and insert it. Plug in the power cord, note whether it matches the local voltage. Remove the funnel, install the funnel into the inlet, then add 4000 ml 4 bottles of water. The water in the tank can reach the water level.